So dear friends, if you want to see the total incoming and outgoing call time on your phone, then follow a very simple step that I'm showing here in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. First, open the call application on your phone. Now look at the bottom, you get three options here: keypad, recents, and contacts. You gotta select the middle option, recents. You see a three-dot icon here, so click on it. Now you see the total call time here, so click on it. If you are using two SIM cards on your phone, then look at the bottom. In this video, I've selected SIM number 1, and in this SIM, the total outgoing call is 2 hours, 7 minutes, and 57 seconds. The first one is outgoing call, and the second is incoming call. Here, the incoming call is 1 hour, 5 minutes, and 31 seconds. And look at the last option, all calls. This is the combination of incoming and outgoing calls. But if you want to reset all your timing, just click on the reset button at the bottom, and all your timing will be 00. Okay, that's it. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like. And if you want to watch more of this kind of helpful and informative videos, then do subscribe to the channel right now. See you soon in the next video with another helpful content like this. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.